Hi, I am Advocate Sandeep Dumar. Today we are going to discuss about the recent order issued by Maharera, order number 46, which is in three parts: order number 46, order number 46A, and order number 46B. All these orders make it mandatory for every promoter to display the QR code of the project on the project advertisement, be it hoarding, be it poll advertisement, be it pamphlet, be it social media. Whichever source of advertisement of that particular project, the promoter has mandatorily to display this QR code on that particular hoardings or source of advertisement. Now, what is there to discuss about this? I think that this platform of QR code made available on the roadside advertisements which are beyond control of the promoter, like social media, this can be a potential threat to the data of the home buyers, because the cyber criminals might use this source and display a phishing QR code where all your data can be pulled by the cyber criminals, and you know what they do with this data. A home buyer usually has at least a down payment amount in his account. So this is a filtered data for a cyber criminal to get properly data of those accounts which are having balance in their accounts. So I personally think, it is my opinion, that you should not scan these QR codes which are made available on the platforms which are not reliable, like social media. Anyone can give you a pamphlet where there is a QR code and you might scan it and you can fall prey to these attacks. Now, if you are really eager and you are a home buyer eager to know about the project, then you can go to Maharera website. You can just go into the search criteria and give an input with the name of that particular project. You will get the entire information. You don't even need to remember the project ID of that project. So when we have a verified and genuine platform where you can get all this information, then why do we need to display the QR code is a question. We have written to Cyber Crime Branch of Pune Police requesting them to give their opinion on this. Once we get this, we'll surely display. And we have also issued a letter to Maharera stating that there is a potential threat to the data of customers. And Maharera's basic intention is to protect the interest of the buyers. And with this order, I think we are exactly going in the reverse direction. We are creating a threat to the customers of real estate. So until Maharera decides and cybercrime issues some order in this regard, we request the home buyers, please do not scan any such QR codes. If you want the information, Maharera website is open. You can go and get the information over there. Thank you. Next video, what we are going to make is about the grading of the projects. So if you have any inputs regarding this order or regarding the grading of the project, you can surely write down to us on the mail ID given below in description. Thank you.